Hello traders, FX Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, we are definitely going up right now. I still think there is a good chance this is the end of an ABC correction, but it's starting to look like it may actually go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels before it actually does end up continuing the downtrend. And honestly, looking at all yen pairs, a lot of the yen pairs really look like they have a long ways to go to the upside, so there's always a chance this just keeps on drifting up. And luckily, we should be looking for longs on shorter time frames anyways, because right now it is definitely going up on like the weekly, daily time frame. So heading down to the weekly, on the weekly it still looks to me like this is a downtrend. It still looks like it should be a wave 1. This looks like an A, B, and it looks like we still should be in a wave C, but it kind of looks to me like it is more likely to just keep on drifting up to one of these higher time frames. Most likely part of a wave 2, but like I said, if the yen keeps pushing it, then it very easily could just keep on drifting up, and luckily we'll be looking for longs anyways, so it definitely won't matter if it just keeps on going up because we'll just keep on going long on shorter time frames. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have an uptrend. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. It still looks to me like 3 waves down for an A, B, C, or B, and it still looks like this could be a wave C. But then, as you can see, it made 3 waves down and made a higher low, higher low. I think it's going to break out of this Fibonacci area. It's probably actually going to end up going up to one of the higher levels, maybe even the 61.8, and maybe even further than that, telling me that I'm just going to continue to look for longs on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I don't really think anything is over yet. I do think this is an ABC correction. I do think that the trend is up. The last major structure level is right there, so if it does make a pullback, I bet it's just going to be a correction to this last wave. I bet it'll make like a 3 wave pattern down and most likely just continue the uptrend. So that tells me if on the shorter time frames, if I see 3 waves down, if I see an impulsive up, then I'm definitely going to take that as a long opportunity for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like we're in a pullback right now. So if you see any kind of a 3 wave pattern, something like this with an impulsive up, or even something like this with impulsive up, then that's exactly what I'm looking for in the future. If I see 3 waves down, impulsive up, a higher low, just like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, that's exactly what I'm looking for my next entry to go long for the continuation of what may be a wave C, or very easily could just stretch out into like a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.